and we go from the masculine to the feminine. Tschabalala self, pioneer, was a little bit of a wonderful mini hike from the parking area. There were a school of crows just watching down on me and questioning me what I was doing here. We're in the middle of, or in the midst, it's like a hybrid of desert and I have a palm oasis. So there's water and there's sand. And Tschabalala self created this, looks like a bronze piece. It's a sculpture to represent the feminine. We all come from water and sort of like lost in this space, almost like tossed in the middle of nowhere, but yet strong and fluid. The fluidity of the feminine. It's just so beautiful. Kind of like reminds me of more sort of like classic sculptures, but the fact that it's in this incredible space, it's pretty powerful. So I'm just gonna walk around. Props to whoever, we're gonna credit you, whoever, oh, look at this, the back is even more beautiful than the front. Whoever wrote the art statements of every piece. Every time I read the conceptual background, the intention, and also the interpretation of the piece within the landscape, I get chills. It's so beautifully done. We really encourage you to join us, not because we think we provide the best way to experience this outdoor exhibition. There's no other way to do it. If you really want to get deep into it, just the power of observation, obviously, but because we create a safe space in which not only we provide the materials, but also we just learn about the piece in a really meaningful way. We just get deep into the intentions. We exchange our own interpretation. There's so much work that is done when we get together. Someone's running. As they should, because this is quite spectacular. Anyhow, we hope that you take the opportunity to actually get in the car and then join us. It's the experience of a lifetime, we dare to say. So you won't be disappointed. And it's the desert. It's beautiful, but also challenging. But at the same time, I don't think I've had these kind of experiences in the Louvre or in any kind of like classical museum. You've got to experience this. I'm gonna turn this off before they come because they're coming running towards me.